is no short supply of work that's got to be done on this truck. So, with it being summer and as hot as it is, well, do as little or as much as I can in a day as possible before it gets too hot, and obviously life and other things still have to be done. So, try to get started on this and get a few things done. First thing I'm going to try to do is fix the driver's door. Now the hinges are worn out. The passenger side over here, great, perfect. Driver's side, I'm hoping I can just put a new bushing kit into it and pin kit and fix all my problems, because if not, I'll probably just have to buy new hinges. So, get over there and tackle that first before I move on to the next thing. Alright, now with the new door bushings, and I tried to take that hinge off and put the spring in it. Mistake, because the spring fell out. I guess it tweaked and it's not staying in there. So now the door is way off and screwed up some of that trying to open it, and it is way off. I mean, I don't know, I'm gonna have to redo it, but it's too hot right now. So to the gas tank. Alright, on to the tank. Hopefully I can get this thing mocked up and taken care of, see where it's going to sit and how I'm going to put it in there, so I can determine later where I'm going to cut an access door to get to the fuel sending unit and fuel pump if need be, as well as where I'm going to mock up a filler neck. So yay. But I need to get up under there to see how it's going to fit first. So, ignore the spider webs and such. I still need to do some cleaning back here, like cutting this off and smoothing all this out. Went back here, look, see what I could do. Cut that brace out. But if I pulled it all the way forward where it's at, one big issue I'm going to have is this height and to the bed frame there, and I really don't want to cut that whole bed frame out. So that's a little higher there, so say 6 1/4. Yeah, that's right there is 4 1/2, if you can see that. So 4 1/2 is not going to clear anyway. So crap. So my sending unit is possibly going to be exactly right here. I'd have to cut the bed for it. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to start looking for other options other than this fuel tank. So I did go back, call Summit, talk to a few different people. One of my arguments is that in the description it says 6 1/2 foot bed. That's what I got. Their argument is in the notes it says replaces the factory tank, rear mounted tank. And I said, show me where a regular cab, short wheel base, C10 Scottsdale, Cheyenne, Silverado had a factory rear mount tank. Seen them in Suburbans, Blazers, but out of all the trucks I've ever owned, every one of them had the saddle tanks on the truck. Never seen one with a factory rear mount tank. Alright, let's take the door off again. Alright, well the door is on and I'm no expert at bodywork, especially lining up panels. The fender is good here, and on the other side there's a gap down here in the door that I can put my hand in. That's bad. The door is not going how it should, but honestly I'm not good at aligning that kind of stuff. I pulled the door as much as I could by loosening the hinges and pulling the door where it should go inwards, and I'm not getting there. So I need someone with a little bit more that's better at that than me to do this, because I'm not good at it. And right now it's almost 100 degrees plus, and it's too hot to mess with it, so I'm going to call it a day here. I hope you enjoyed this episode, even though nothing went according to plan. But guess what? And now it doesn't always go according to plan, and you got to accept the fact that it won't always go exactly according to plan. So, and I got to keep telling myself that too. So, thanks for watching.